Hello everyone. We had done this passage that is crop growing skyscraper for this true false not given series. You have to solve the questions from 8 to 13. You have to solve this question by yourself first. Afterwards, we have to see the discussion things. Let's see the question number 8. The question number 8 is methods of predicting the Earth's population have recently changed. So the Earth population is one keyword and as well as the recently change is the keyword. Let's see this line in the paragraph number 1. In the paragraph number 1 they have written that by the year of 2050 nearly 80% of Earth's population will live in the urban centers. Okay, applying the most conservative estimate to current demographic trends, the human's population will increase by about 3 billion people by then. That means there is not more information about the methods used to predict the Earth's population. Here they have written the methods of predicting Earth population. Yes, they are talking about the population that twice, thrice, billion, okay, in 2050 this happened, that happened. But they have not talked about any methods that is related to the Earth population. So that means regarding the question we don't have any find such relevant information in the paragraph. So answer is what? Not given. Let's see the question number 9. The question number 9 is human beings are responsible for some of the destruction to food producing land. So destruction as well as the food producing land both are the keyword. You can find those keyword in the paragraph number 3. So let's see the line first. So the line is over here. Along the way, we now take for the granted along the way we despoil most of the land we work and often turning verdant natural ecozones into the semi-arid deserts. Also, you can see that the 60% of the human population now lives in the vertical in the cities. They are talking about the pollution. That means we despoil most of the land we work, often turning the verdant natural ecozones into the semi-arid deserts. What do you mean by verdant? Means the green, lush green. You can say the lush green grasses. So the information is here in the question. Human beings are responsible for some of the destruction to the food producing land. Yes. So here the same information is given in the passage. Yes, they are the despoils most of the land we work. So most the information are matched with each other. So answer is what? True. Let's say question number 10. Question number 10 is the crops produced in the vertical farms will depend on the season. So the vertical farm and the season both are the keywords. We find this keyword in the second paragraph. So in the second paragraph you can see the line. The concept of indoor farming is not new since the production of the tomatoes and the other production in the was for the some time. What is new is the urgent need to scale up this technology to accommodate another 3 billion people, and many people believe that an entirely new approach to indoor farming is required, and one such proposal is for the vertical farm. So we get the vertical farm. Okay, buildings in which food crops are grown in environmentally controlled condition situated the heart of the urban centers, and they would drastically reduce the amount of transportation required to bring food to consumers, and vertical farms would need to be efficient, cheap to construct and safe to the operate. So here the review of the second paragraph, the sustainable production of a safe and the varied food supplied throughout the year around the production of all the crops is written over here, right? So the crops are produced in controlled condition of the environment, not depend upon the vertical farming. So here in the question they have written the crops produced in the vertical farm depend on the season. No, they are not depend on the season. They are not in control of such a condition of the environment. So both the information are not matched with each other. You can say it's a contradictory information. So the answer is what? False. Question number 11. Question number 11 is some damage to food crops is caused by climate change. So climate change is the keyword and the food crops is the keyword. So let's see this in the paragraph number 3. Paragraph number 3 is here. Bearing plans to the rigorous of the great outdoors and can do more than the hope for the good weather year. However, more often than now, Due to a rapidly changing climate, that is not what happened. Massive floods, long droughts, hurricanes, and the severe monsoon take their role dash and dash to the valuable crops. So that means the answer is true because yes, due to the climate change, some damage to food crops is happen. So answer is what? True. Question number 12. Question number 12 is the fertilizers will be needed for certain crops in the vertical farms. So vertical farm is the keyword and the certain crops is the keyword. So we have to see this line in the paragraph number this. All the food could be grown organically, eliminating the need for the herbicides, pesticides and the fertilizers. So all the food could be grown organically, eliminating the need of the extra fertilizers. So the question is what written the fertilizer will be the need for the certain crops for the vertical farm. And in the passage they have written there is no need of and zero need of the fertilizer. That means the contradiction information is given here. So answer is what? False. Let's see the next question. The next question is question number 13. Vertical farming will make plants less likely to be affected by the infectious disease. So infectious disease is the keyword and the vertical farming is the keyword. Let's see this line in the paragraph number 4th. So you can see the line is there would be no weather related crop failures due to droughts, floods and the pest. All the food could be grown organically, eliminating the need of fertilizer. The system would greatly reduce the incidence of many infectious diseases, yes, that are acquired at the agriculture interface. So yes, the description is related to our sentence because here they are talking about the system would greatly reduce the incidence of many infectious disease and the vertical farming will make plants less likely to be affected by the infectious disease. So information is matched with the question and the paragraph. So answer is what? True. So in this way we have solved all the question regarding to the crop growing skyscraper. So we hope that we have cleared all your doubts and now you are pro in the true false not given. Thank you so much for watching this series true false not given. Please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.